Hi, Amani.
Got a big surprise.
Have you got a surprise today?
Yes.
Is it a toy surprise?
don't know
Okay,
what's in
let's see how many surprises there are. There's one box,
2 box.
two boxes, there's another box.
I
Yay!
don't know what's in this one.
Shall we open and see what's inside?
Yeah.
After 3, 3, 2, 1, open it!
PJ Masks.
What is this? A PJ Masks? Oh wow! I love PJ Masks toys. Check it out, guys. PJ Masks to the rescue. Mini vehicle set. Wow. Check it out. Okay. Shall we open the next one?
What's in this?
Let's open it. Oh wow, I think I know what it is. It's Supergirl. Same as you. Look, you're wearing a Supergirl dress. And this is a DC Supergirl doll. Wow.
Let's open this.
Check it out, guys. How tall is this Supergirl? I think she's about 40 centimeters. Do you want help? Okay, let's tip it out.
Taps.
Oh, sorry. Whoa, look at that, guys. So many PJ Masks toys. Mini vehicle set. Check it out. What's his name? Is he the bad guy?
Yeah. And these are the
Who's that? Is that Gecko?
That's Night Ninja.
And who's the red one?
Owlet.
Owlet. Who's this one?
Catboy.
Catboy.
Gecko.
Gecko.
Night Ninja.
Night Ninja. Is it the buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy. Take them out, Amani. One by one. Take them out. Yay. Wow. 5 vehicle set.
No, what is one?
How many is there?
2, 3, 4, 5. Look,
5. Yay. Wow, Amani. Look at this. Look. So cute. Nice little. The wheels are fairly big, guys. Not bad little toys for little kids. Let's have a look at this one. Is this Gecko?
Yeah.
Is that a little spaceship or a plane? This is the baddie. The ninja, and this is another guy. Check it out. Choo choo. Okay, let's see what your other superheroes doing. Supergirl to the rescue. Open it, Amani. Open it.
What's this? It comes with a blue attach. What's that? You're supposed to keep that.
Pull, 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 pull.
Come on,
Yeah,
do it.
pull it, pull it, pull it. You can pull it. Done.
Take it out.
Wow.
I think, ooh, these
Supergirl.
are the things for them.
What? What is it?
Look, these are for things for
Is that
them.
her weapon?
Yeah, look, and she's got these.
Wow.
You're supposed to keep them.
Okay. Yeah, let's have a look. Wow, superhero. And what is that? Is that her superhero stand? I
Yeah,
think she's supposed to stand up here, guys. Look. What do you do? Take her, yeah. Put her there. Oh, wow. That's quite cool, that is. Look. And then she just stands up. Look at the detailing, guys. Look at the shoes. It's quite cool, that is. Supergirl. Let's see. Does she stand? Oh, she's falling down. Oh, no. Let's see. If she stands up. Yeah, man, check it out. Wow. Uh-oh. Supergirl's fallen. Let's see if she can fly. Woo-wee. Supergirl to the rescue. I think she wants to play with the PJ Masks.
Yeah, she does.
Oh, Amani, look. I think we can get a collection. Would you like to get these next time? Look.
Yeah,
There's
but-
Bumblebee. Who's Bumblebee? Never heard of her before. There's Batgirl.
I got that one. I'm not
And-
got that one.
Have you got Wonder Woman? That's
No.
Wonder Woman.
No, I haven't.
You haven't got it?
And that
So look what it comes with. The doll headband, cuffs, one pair of shoes, and one doll stand. I think you can get a collection, guys. Amani, have you got Batgirl there too? Ooh, she joined the forces with Supergirl, guys. Who's taller? Let's have a look. There's Batgirl. She's about 25 centimeters, but Supergirl looks like she's about 40 centimeters. Supergirl, the taller one.
No, she's 100 centimeters.
Wow. And what are these? You've got your other PJ Masks toys, look. Gecko, Catboy, and Owlet. And look, the vehicles.
So which one's big of matching? So this one is bigger.
That's Owlet's car.
And
Where's
then
Gecko's?
this one's Catboy.
That's Catboy. Sit him down like that. Like this. Can you sit him down there? And then that's Gecko's. Yeah. And these are the baddies. I think these are the baddies. Yeah.
No, this one's the goodie.
Oh, is it a goodie?
And this one's the body.
Okay.
And here's the body too, this one.